Which finding, if true, would most directly support the team's idea? Many insects are iridescent, or have colors that appear to shimmer and change when seen from different angles. Scientists have assumed that this feature helps to attract mates, but could also attract predators. But biologist Karen Kajusemo and a team had the idea that the shifting appearance of colors might actually make it harder for other animals to see iridescent insects. To test this idea, the team put four beetle forewings on the leaves along a forest path and then asked human participants to look for them. Some of the wings were naturally iridescent, others were painted with a non-changing color from the iridescent spectrum, such as purple or blue. So in the text, we can clearly see that it begins with a description of how many insects are iridescent, which means that they have colors that appear to shimmer or change when seen from different angles. And scientists have thought that this feature helps to attract mates, but also attracts predators. But this team of researchers had the idea to test this shifting appearance of colors, and they thought that the shifting appearance of colors might actually make it harder for other animals to see iridescent insects. So they tested this idea by having a team of humans look for a set of beetle forewings on leaves, where some of these wings were naturally iridescent, and others were painted with a non-changing color, like purple or blue. So now we're looking for one of these claims that supports the team's ideas. So anything that would support this claim would highlight how it was harder to see the iridescent insects rather than the non-changing color insects. So let's look at the answer choices. A. On average, participants found most of the purple wings and blue wings and far fewer of the iridescent wings. So this seems to be the correct answer, because this highlights the claim, which is that the shifting appearance of colors might actually make it harder for other animals to see iridescent insects. So because the shifting appearance of colors makes it harder for animals to see the iridescent insects, they would be far less spotted or caught. So in this case, it highlights how there are far fewer of the iridescent wings that were caught, and comparatively, there were far more of the purple wings and blue wings that were caught by participants. So this supports the team's idea, and therefore A seems to be the correct answer. B. On average, participants found the iridescent wings faster than they found the purple wings or blue wings. This is incorrect, because the claim is that the iridescent wings are harder to find than the non-changing colors. So the fact that the iridescent wings were found faster than the purple wings or blue wings would not prove the claim. Instead, it would disprove this claim. Therefore, we can eliminate option choice B. C. Some participants reported that the purple wings were easier to see than the blue wings. This is incorrect because, for one, it doesn't mention anything about the iridescent insects, and secondly, this compares the non-changing colors of purple and blue, which don't really support the claim that it was harder to find iridescent insects than the non-changing colors. So because this doesn't support the team's idea, we can eliminate option choice C. D. Some participants successfully found all the wings on the leaves. This is incorrect because this would disprove the idea that shifting appearance or the iridescent insects were harder to see, because here it shows that all of them were equally hard to see or equally easy to see, where the non-changing color and the iridescent insects have no difference. It made no difference for the participants when they were finding them. Therefore, we can eliminate option choice D. And with that, we're left as A as the correct answer.